One of the things I get asked about every single seminar is creatine. Does creatine cause cancer? Does creatine cause you to bloat? Is creatine a steroid? The answer is a resounding no. Before we go into what creatine is, first we need to talk about what it does. Your body has a few main energy systems. We have glycolysis, which is the breakdown of sugar to provide energy. This is going to last anywhere from 20 seconds to 3 minutes. During that time, you're gradually shifting into fat metabolism. This is going to occur through the TCA cycle and beta oxidation. Those are two things we'll get into later at a different date. But you have to have something to make that energy the first 20 seconds. So with that, we have creatine phosphate, which your body naturally makes. And what it does is breaks down that phosphate is released, you have energy. Okay, so think of like a sprint or doing 3 to 5 reps of a weight. Something that's going to be more power, but it's also you just standing up out of the chairs, mostly relying on creatine to power that movement. Creatine has around 40 years of high quality scientific research on it. There is no shortage of data out there showing that it's safe. We have seen that it can increase muscle function because you're providing immediate energy. That's going to give you extra sets at the end of the exercise. It's also going to function to spare glucose. Your body has a very limited supply of glucose, has all the fat it can handle, but creatine is going to load up in the muscles and provide that immediate energy. In athletic populations, the data are very clear. You take creatine, you do better. It's just it's that clear. But we're starting to see a lot more literature showing that creatine is effective in cardiac rehab patients. This was starting to pop up when I was working cardiac rehab. We know some of our patients on it were having better outcomes, reporting more energy. We're starting to see that creatine is being studied for neurological conditions because it helps promote glucose functioning in the brain, has some neuroprotective effects. And up until the last 10 years, we thought that creatine could be bad if you had kidney disease, but now we're looking at it as a potential therapy for kidney disease. Next time you are asking if you want to start taking some type of supplement, creatine monohydrate is probably the best one to go with. There are several formulations. This could include creatine ethyl ester, creatine hydrochloride. Creatine monohydrate is the most studied. It continues to show the best efficacy. There aren't any safety signals with it, but don't be afraid of it. If it's an option, hopefully this has been informative, and like and subscribe. Skull.